guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a massive fashion try on haul, and firstly I want to start by apologizing for this video coming out so late. I basically bought a crap ton of things yesterday and it was my birthday gift, which is वैसे quite far away from now, but my mom got it for me, so I thought let's include it in the haul. So I reshot the whole thing and now we're here. Anyway, there are a lot of things that I want to take you guys to. Literally यहाँ piles में सामान बना के रखा हुआ है. And yeah, let's get started. So I've been meaning to redo my wardrobe, my style for so long. I feel that मैंने एक ही style जो मेरा है हमेशा से I've stuck on to it for so long that I really want to like revamp it, change it up and do something like really nice and also go in a different direction style wise. So there will be another haul coming very soon. I can't tell you much about that right now, but for today I have lots of Indian wear which I am an absolute fan of, and a lot of western wear as well. I've been accumulating these things for about 2 months now. So I will be trying everything out and I will be putting those cutaways in the video so you can see exactly how this looks on me, how it fits, and also a little bit of styling here and there. So now let's jump into the Fab India pile first. The first thing that I got from Fab India is this beautiful dress and I just am in love. Now this is a pattern, it's a print, it's a color that I would not have thought that I would ever buy, but just the way this dress is made and it's cut, it's a kaftan style dress with an inbuilt belt that you can tie at the back to like really cinch your waist in, or you can tie it up loosely in the front and give it the look of a kaftan dress. Now that totally depends on how you like to wear your dresses, but I do feel that the inbuilt belt gives this dress a lot of possibilities and you can play with it quite a lot. Again, I wanted to try like a new style. I wanted to really pick up pieces that I would not gravitate towards, and that also includes colors that I won't necessarily pick always. So here's me trying to be a little like experimental and really push myself out of the comfort zone. So first is this straight kurta. It is like pura seal band side, so there are no like slits on it. I think you can wear it as a dress as well, and I just thought that this color was really beautiful. It's something that would work perfectly well for office, and that's kind of how I've styled it. I also added a really nice silver neck piece, which I think I got it from Sarojini for like 40 bucks or so a couple of years ago, so that was one of my best purchases ever. Then I have paired it with this beautiful pajama. It is, I want to say it's dark brown. It looks slightly black, but it's actually dark brown and it has a beautiful motif all over it. Next thing from Fab India are these pants. Now these are very like Indian wear kind of pants जो आप कुर्ते के नीचे पहन सकते हो, but because of how beautifully these pants have been made, you can also wear them as just pants, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. I paired it up with a white t-shirt, which I am sorry I did not iron. I got very lazy, and I added a really beautiful pura silver junk jewelry choker, which I kind of wore as just a simple necklace. I didn't wear it as a choker, and I think it looks really nice. Okay, so another thing that I've been trying to find for the longest time is a beautiful kurta pajama set in pure white or cream. I was stalking the Fab India site for a long time, and this kurta that I finally got, it was just not in my size on the website for a long time, so I was really disappointed about that, but I did get it in the store. So this is what the kurta looks like. I have paired it up with the pajama that I got with it, which is again so beautiful. My only complaint with the pajama is it's very see-through, so you can't wear this one as a pant. You have to wear a kurta over it because it just looks unflattering without it. No harm in showing your legs, no harm in wearing see-through things, just that this one just looks very awkward when it's worn like that. I got this dress. Now this is sort of a shirt dress, but instead of it just being a button down seedha niche, it like flares at the bottom, so it can also work as an anarkali, as an anarkali, as an anarkali with a collar. And again, it's quite a heavy print, but it's small, the colors are subdued, and they really perfectly complement each other. Plus I also think that this is such a Fab India kind of a print and I am obsessed. So that was the dress. Now next thing I picked up is something that I bought, which is this blouse. I think ये फिरोजी रंग बोलते हैं इसको, मम्मा ने तो यही बोला था. This blouse, and I actually got this blouse because a brand very kindly sent this sari to me in PR. Now you'll see how the sari looks completely. It has little crabs on it, and this is I think this is hand printed. I'm not sure, but this is handmade. This is a local homegrown brand. I will put the details in the description, so don't worry about it. And I couldn't get the exact match because I didn't have the sari with me, but it's such a close match that I think it works really beautifully as a blouse and sari set. I bought a lot of stuff from H&M. So the first thing that I ordered was this beautiful peachy pink, nude pink blazer, and this is quite oversized for me because I wanted to like have the liberty of wearing it as a dress. Now it's a little too short by my taste to be worn as a dress, so I have paired it with a pink pleated skirt, and I just think it's such a classic piece. You can style the skirt with so many things, but I really was in the mood of going all like monochromatic, so I styled it with my pink blazer, added my pink shoes, and it was a whole look which I think looks so cool. So I got this beautiful green blazer, and I have paired it up with this gorgeous skirt, which again I purchased from H&M. Now this is a high-waisted front slit yellow printed skirt, again a print that I wouldn't have picked, but I just think that on this color and this beautiful floral print in purple, it just looks so pretty. It looks so like, I don't know, cute. The last item from H&M that I have is this beautiful dress. Okay, it looks like leather, but it's not. It looks like leather latex, but it's not. It's a faux material, of course, and it's just such a pretty color. You saw this dress in one of my videos. I really like it. It is, this weather definitely is not the right weather to be wearing this dress, but do I still want to? Yes. I generally really invest in pieces that I know would last me a long time and are something that need to be of a certain quality. So that goes with your blazers, and that also kind of goes with your pants. I got 2 pants and 2 tops from Nykaa Fashion. So the first pair is this really beautiful white pair of pants. Now there's not a lot I can say about white pair of pants. They're just a staple in your wardrobe. I wanted these ones which were flared so that they give my body like a taller, leaner look. So I paired it up with this beautiful halter neck top from Global Desi. I ordered a size medium. I should have ordered a size small because this is slightly bada on me. So be careful about the size you're ordering, because if it's the right size, it's going to fit beautifully. If it's a little bada, it is going to like get a little bit like ruchy, bulky thoda sa side se, so that might not be very pleasant. But मैंने अब ले लिया था, and I'm again आलसी in returning and like online shopping stuff, so मैंने पहन लिया and it looks quite nice. So there's again a lot of possibilities to play with this top too. The other thing I thought I'm gonna get as a set, like, and wear as a set as well. Firstly, I got a corset. I got an Indian kapda, Indian print kind of corset. It still looks so good. It's such a modern yet Indian piece, and I think this would look beautiful under a sari as a blouse as well. And that is kind of what I was thinking when I was getting this. Not just with pants or anything like anything western. I think this would kill with saris and lehengas. So abhi festive season aayega, tab hum isko style karenge. I got a beautiful pair of black pants. Again, in the picture they looked like they were fully straight, but they do slightly flare at the bottom, which right now I'm not mad at because they do fit me really well. It's very difficult for me to find pants that fit very well online because I really don't know what size I am. So this really helps, and this pant is just like, it was lovely. This is all the stuff that I purchased. Now I'm going to show you just a couple of things that were sent to me because they were so beautiful and I really wanted to include them in the haul. The first one is this gorgeous blue dress. This is from a brand called Carvarya, and this actually is a friend's brand. Her name is Ishwarya Kaushal. I'm pretty sure you guys know her. She's a really famous YouTuber. She's a beauty blogger. She is really cool. She is very talented, and this is her. This dress has to be like one of my most favorite dresses ever. It's so like comfortable, you can jump, you can dance, you can move around, you can go for basic grocery shopping, or you can go for like dates in this. It's such a versatile piece, and it can really be dressed up or dressed down depending on your mood and occasion. So love it. Aishwarya, you've done a really good job on this. The material, everything, so soft, sits on the body so well. I'm very impressed and very happy with the quality. Another brand that sent me this beautiful dress. Now this is also a homegrown Indian brand, and this dress is made with rose petal fabric. They're an organic brand, they're a sustainable slow brand, and it's a really nice printed shirt dress. Again, nothing much to say about this. The print is something I wouldn't have experimented with had you asked me a couple of months ago even, but I was revamping my style. I was trying to challenge myself a little bit, so I got this, and I think it paid off because it looks very flattering on my body. You can wear it as a jacket. I think there is a matching pant also on their website, but I like to wear it as a shirt dress, and it just looks really nice. Again, for my body type, for anyone who's like my height and slightly chubby, I think this would be like a shirt dress in general is a really good silhouette to put on your body, and it makes me feel really comfortable when I'm wearing it. So that's that. This top again is so pretty. This is a silk top, it's a crop top. This again is a statement piece, so I didn't really want to do any excessive styling with it. I just paired it up with the same white pants as before, and I think it looks really pretty, and I actually can't wait to wear it as a blouse. Like, I've been waiting on a couple of saris that I ordered, so dekhte hain uska kya scene banta hai, but it's so pretty. The last thing in this haul is another sari. Now this is a beautiful organza digitally printed sari, and I love this so much. They sent me another one, the clip of which I am going to insert right here. Now this is an Insta reel that I posted on my Instagram account, and we sold them out. This sari I think is priced at rupees 1500, which is extremely affordable. So if you guys are interested in saris, let me know. I happen to buy a ton of them even if I don't have anywhere to go, and right now none of us do, but it's just pretty, so sundar. So right now I didn't really have like a blouse or a petticoat for it. I wore it over my pants, just wore it like that. I really like how this looks. It is difficult to drape an organza sari. You really have to like practice and wear it a couple of times, but apart from that, it's too pretty to not be worn. And both the prints, I think I like this one, but the grey one with the pink flowers printed on it, that's my favorite, and it's one of the best saris that I own. I think that is it. I hope that's all of it. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was quite a lot. I kind of paired everything together so as to just move through the video quickly, but I had so much fun. I've done a try on fashion haul, I think after winters up kiya hai maine. It's been a really long time, and yeah, let me know what your favorite pieces are from my collection and how you would style them. Also let me know if you want to see more fashion styling based content. I have another haul video coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that I know that you like the content that I'm producing. Also hit the like button if you like this video, and press the bell icon to be informed every single time I post. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.